WEX FSM helps you track maintenance contracts and service visits, so you never miss another cleaning again. If you offered maintenance plans before coming to WEX FSM, it's likely you have customers on existing contracts that you've already collected for. On the customer's account, navigate to the Maintenance Plan section and click the plus button. Select the appropriate plan and adjust the contract dates. For this example, my customer signed up April of 2025, making the end date April 2026. I'll zero out the annual price since my customer has no remaining balance. Click Next at the bottom to move to Service Windows. Service windows are maintenance visits your customer will receive. You can adjust the months and the names if needed. In this example, I've already completed the customer spring visit, so I'll delete that window. I have one remaining window in December, so I'll make those adjustments and click Next at the bottom. Confirm your customer's contact information here. When it's time to schedule a visit, this is where maintenance visit reminders will be sent. When you're ready, click Next to go to the final step. Since this is an existing prepaid contract, I'll select Not Now for payment and click Done. My customer now has a star indicating they're a maintenance plan customer, and their contract details are shown in their account.